Alright, so if you just watched the prior vlog, you'll know that I just got home. Haven't eaten yet, but the jerky is done. Check that out. So, I'm gonna try a piece of this. It's pretty good, yo. I love it. Alright, y'all, we're unloading the van now. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all unloaded, but we got it full of all kinds of stuff, so just wait. Give us a little bit more time to unload. Alright, y'all, so we just unloaded. Let me show you what we got. We have a full set of dumbbells from 100 pounds down to 5. I'm also going to get 120s. Then we have a squat rack with a pull-up bar and a dip attachment. So pretty stoked about that. And then we also have a bench. So I'm gonna get an adjustable bench. We have a flat bench now, and then we've had these. We got these last week, but the barbells and bumper plates and whatnot. Now CJ is gonna demonstrate how to do 15 strict pull-ups.
15.
15.
That's all you want?
Getting cocky now. We're testing out the lighting in the gym right now.
Alright. What kind you want?
Oh, wide grip, man, all the way.
Okay. I don't know if I can do 15 wide, but I'll try.
I got faith in you, bro. All the way up, good range of motion. I'm digging it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got this, bro. Come on. 8, 9. Come on, come on, come on. 5 more, 5 more. 1, 2. Come on, 3 more. 3, 2 more.
Yep.
There you go, there you go. 1 more. All the way. Yep.
You want one more?
Boom. Love it. Love it. Good job, man. Alright, y'all, so hadn't really had much sleep yet, but we've been jamming on the gym. We've got Tyler helping me in here with this while the rest of the crew's out there making bricks. Check this out. We got the rest of this wall done. Let me just show you. So we got the rest of this wall done. We got the rack there in the corner. We set that up. We just basically went over that pipe. There's no reason to cut out. We figured it would look better with it just being a bubble instead of us cutting out. And then we cut out for the outlet box. We got that looking good. And then we got this corner tied in. Tyler's gonna cut the rest of those rubber strips, and then this wall will be up in no time. So next time you see the gym, the walls will be done. All right, y'all. So we have some company coming in today. Y'all have heard me talk about Jonathan Shane, one of the DSK coaches, one of my former clients. Just did his first bodybuilding competition not too long ago. He just rolled up. Check him out.
Oh, what is up, guys?
What's going on, Jonathan, in the building?
Much. I'm tired of driving. It's been a long day.
6-hour drive, 7-hour drive?
Yeah, 7 after gas. I drank too much water. Went right through me.
What are we gonna do while you're here, man? You're here till Sunday.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do a lot of things, right? We're gonna cook. We're gonna make bricks.
We're gonna change the world.
And we're gonna slam some weights.
Change the world. Let's do it. Jonathan's here. We need to get some groceries. We're going to swing into Whole Foods, but before we go to Whole Foods, we're gonna go to Best Buy because we're gonna work out in the gym tomorrow. We're gonna break in the gym, and we gotta get a big old boombox speaker system in there so we can pump some heavy music and be hardcore. So Best Buy, here we come. What we going on here, man?
I got a speaker.
Speaker, extra bass.
We're gonna get crunk.
Getting crunk. I don't think they use that word anymore, man. So I was gonna get the one without a battery, but Crystal was like, no, we need one for our
wedding.
So we had to have speakers. We're gonna get crunk at our wedding?
Totally gonna get crunk.
So we don't have an oven.
Yeah, we don't have an oven. We don't have like a toaster. We don't have like any of those type of things. So if we get this beautiful piece of
we can
lovely.
We can even use an air fryer, a dehydrator, or a roast, basically an oven. An oven in a box.
The Smart Oven Air, it says.
Smart Oven Air.
So we're gonna get one of these guys.
You excited?
Make a lot of food.
I'll get this for you if you cook me food all the time.
I do all the time anyways.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay. All right, y'all, we're at Whole Foods. Bacon is on sale. so we're stocking up on bacon for our employees. We're gonna make like some bacon something for them. Why is goat cheese better than normal cheese?
Because goats, the fat in them is a smaller molecule than cows, and then also with the protein strands in it are I think the closest related to breast milk, like the human. So like we can digest it better than cow's milk.
I like it. What kind are we getting?
And we're gonna get soft, or we can get hard goat cheese. They have hard
Let's
cheddar.
get one
That's
of
what
each,
Crystal
and
wants
then we
to
can
try.
try 'em.
One of
Yeah.
each?
She's super excited.
What's the other
I
one?
am.
I haven't had dairy in quite some time, but we're gonna try the goat cheese because I do miss cheese. And for that reason, if it is easier to digest, which it is easier to digest, I don't anticipate having near the negative response that I have from normal dairy. And again, let me preface this with, I don't have that much of a negative response with dairy in general, but I'm really trying to optimize, so I'm okay with going without the dairy, but I'm excited to try the goat cheese.
Gonna eat all of this? Is this enough?
Oh, yeah, that's what you meant.
I mean, yeah, like I.
Oh, I didn't see that. It's big. We're getting 2 ribeyes and 2 T-bones, and we're gonna grill one of each tonight.
Bam.
I'm gonna be making bread.
What kind of bread you making, bro?
Carnivore bread.
Carnivore
Zero
bread?
carbs, all meat based, only animals.
Meat bread.
We're gonna make bread.
It's like a bread.
So I think we got enough groceries.
We like the smaller carts, but we might have to gravitate towards the bigger cart. It's all Jonathan. He's the one that's getting all this food.
I'm a big guy. I gotta, guys gotta eat.
We got the speaker system up and running. We're jamming. We're gonna put up the rest of the walls in the gym. Get ready. Check out the Keto Savage Compound Gym. We got our tire over there. We got all the walls up on the 3 sides at least. We got squat rack. We have we have a bench. Then we have all of our dumbbells lining the wall. Eventually I'll get like a dumbbell rack and some cable machines and all that good stuff. But we got a lot of stuff going right now. A lot of body weight stuff, a lot of free weight stuff, but we'll make it work. Got all the walls up. We got all of our plates and whatnot. We're gonna train back tomorrow using the free weights. And then we'll probably start here and then go to the gym and use some of the cables like as a finishing exercise. But I'm excited to break in the gym tomorrow with our weights, our blacked out walls, and the new speaker. All right, y'all, so we got the grill going and the Watchman stove, which I love, by the way. We're about to throw these ribeyes on there. Crystal's got some sausage. We're gonna celebrate by getting the walls up, by eating some steaks. All right, so we got 2 ribeyes and the kielbasa sausage for Jonathan. He's eating all my food, I have nothing. And Crystal is rocking the salad over here.
And that's my kielbasa.
Yeah. Boom, check it out.
Still trying to get smooth at the loading process here. Okay.
Robin Hood right here. Digging it.
Oh, this is fun. I
It's like meditation, man. Alright, so that's gonna be the thumbnail picture. Let's do it one more time for the thumbnail.
Hold on. 1, 2.
Okay. So, real quick, I wanted to just say, great to have Jonathan here, by the way. He's going to be here with us until Sunday. It's Thursday now. We're going to go grocery shopping. We already did that. We're going to do it again. We're going to do like a DSK grocery haul video. We're going to do like some cooking videos. We're going to do all kinds of good stuff. Tomorrow we're going to get our DEXA scans. So we're going to see what we have there. We're all 3 are, right? You are too, Crystal?
Yep.
So DEXA for
Don't
her.
expect anything, any words from me after mine's done.
So yeah, we're gonna publicize what we got. Maybe Crystal's not.
I'm not.
So yeah, we're gonna get that in, and then we're just gonna do a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna show him how to do some of the editing with the podcast and the vlogs. He's gonna do some keto brick making, I think. What else are we gonna do?
I think that. Oh yeah, and then I plan on attempting to eat like a savage for one day.
Yeah, he's gonna eat 6,000 calories with me for one day, so that'll be good.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Not ready.
That's a lot of food, man. But yeah, so it's gonna be good. I'm excited about it. Excited about the gym. The walls are done. We're gonna train tomorrow. We're gonna break in. We're gonna do back tomorrow here. We're gonna do everything we can with like barbells, dumbbells, and just like the basics. And then we're gonna probably finish that workout off at the gym and do the normal like cable work and whatnot. So excited about that. Glad to have you here, man.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. I'm super excited.
See you soon.